Before we get started, I want to point out that I have some links at the end of this video for teardown, for water pump replacement, for timing belt. If you need to use those, you can find them there at the end of the video. Okay, so taking this camshaft sprocket off using a strap wrench, and I've got a 3/8 inch 14 millimeter socket with a 3/8 inch wrench, and off it came. Okay, when you take off this bolt, hold the crankshaft with a wrench on a flat spot. There isn't much room to work in here, so I just got a little hole started and then turned a drill bit by hand so I can't get anything in there with the vice grips. And then we'll put a screw in there, pry it out. It's nice if you do this to have something with a hex head on it once you get your sheet metal screw in there, because then you can turn it in rather easily, quite a bit easier than a Phillips or, heaven forbid, a straight head. Get it in there far enough and you can start prying it out. Okay, with our small pry tool in there, you can see it's starting to come out. I gotta put something behind it here to get a little leverage. Okay, and then just get yourself something underneath there to lift it higher. There comes our seal, our leaky seal. This is the bolt that came from the tensioner. I put a washer on it, piece of 1/2 inch PVC. We'll drive it in with that. Make sure you grease everything up, the seal and the bore and shaft on the camshaft. So make sure this hole here and this little tick mark are lined up on the cam. So first we'll center this with a centering punch. Okay, now just carefully go into that seal a little bit. Keep it centered. And with our nut driver, just driving our sheet metal screw in there a ways. Should be far enough. And then there it comes. Make sure this is clean in here. Doesn't hurt. What I sometimes do is go through here to make sure there's anything that's falling in there while you've been working on it. I'm using a 2-inch PVC coupler for this, and I have it It came at this set length. I added a couple washers, and then just using the crank bolt, keep it centered all the while as you're doing this, and then we'll just drive it in with a ratchet until it seats up as far as it'll go. Thanks for watching. Here are some links to other videos that I have on the teardown of the engine, on the timing belt installation, on the oil seal replacement, and reassembling the engine. So good luck with your work. Thanks again.